I had to come back up here because last time I was up here replacing that vent cap, I noticed this cover here was loose. See, it's not supposed to do that. I think the brackets came off. Sure enough, they did come off. So I'm gonna unscrew these and see if I can get that bracket back on. So as you can see here, the screws came off. Like they're supposed to be on this side. There's supposed to be a sheet metal screw in there to hold these brackets in, down. And yeah, we're gonna have to get some new screws because they're missing. This is pretty dirty. I'll clean that up too. Ugh. Okay, gotta climb back down. Okay, yeah, a selection of screws here. We'll see what we can get to work. Yep, those are gonna work. These are ones I had left over from, I think, the solar panel, maybe? Glad I keep stuff. I don't have to keep going to the store to buy stuff. If I'm out boondocking or something, I got things I need. Alright, that seems tight. That bracket's on. Okay, that was an easy job. Easy peasy. Now I just have to replace 3 of these running lights are bad. I have them ordered through Amazon. It was like $3 or $4 for a set of 10 of them. I think it was 10 of them. Pretty darn good deal. So we'll get that fixed this week also. This inlet for the solar, I got my solar over there with a separate wire running under the vehicle, under the RV, and back up to the charge controller by the door. This is supposed to be already a built-in one, and I have not been able to find where it goes on the inside, because I'd like to have it just go through the inside. I'd like to put another panel right here to have 300 watts and then just have it all go right in there. But I have yet to have any luck finding that, so we'll see. By the time I decide to sell this thing, this is about the time I'll find it. It's about time I clean out my storage unit or my garage area. it was pretty bad, pretty dirty. But we'll get it more organized and easier to get at stuff. I had a lot of stuff in there. A lot of stuff. There, that's way more doable. I put my table inside and the overhead. Of course, the only thing I gotta fit in here yet is my cables and my hoses. They'll fit because they're usually just a temporary thing that can just lay right here. But at least I can get at the stuff I need that's more important, that I use more often. Yeah. Got some weight off the back, which I like to do. We do have another e-bike coming for review, I believe. It's a fold-up, smaller one, so we may be getting rid of our bigger e-bike, which will help a little bit with weight, because I do not like weight in the back. Alright, what else can I do?